3 from your guided notes. And you should be working this on your scratch paper. Actually, no, not your scratch paper. Actually, put this in your notes as your examples that you can come back to. You can also come back on the video. So here we go. We got 3x plus 4y equals 18. 2x minus y equals 1. Now, the first thing, remember, I said one equation has to be solved for one variable. None of these equations is solved for one variable. So let's actually take one. You can pick any one you want, but this one seems a little easier. So I'm going to write 2x minus, I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 there, 1y equals 1. And I'm going to go ahead and solve for y, okay? So I'm going to box this in, subtract 2x, both sides, 0 pair, negative 1y equals negative 2x plus 1, divide by negative 1, everything, cancels out, y is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, when you divide these two, it's negative 1. Divide these two becomes positive 2x. Now, this is solved for one variable. So I go to the next equation, and I'm going to take this and substitute it right there. So let me work this area. I have 3x plus 4. Instead of y, I'm going to put 2x minus 1 equals 18. Now, we've seen these problems before. We worked these out. Okay, we're going to be solving for x here. So I have 3x plus, and I got to distribute, 8x minus 4 equal to 18. Remember, first day of school, I can group these. That's 11x minus 4 equals 18. Solve for x, so I add 4 to both sides. 0 pair, that's 22. Bring down 11x. Divide by 11. And it took me all of this to find out that x equals 2. Okay, so I know my solution. I'll write it right here. I know it's going to be x is 2. So my solution is x is 2 right now. Now, how do I go about finding the other value? Well, since I know x equals 2, and it doesn't matter which equation I use, I'm going to use this one because it looks a little bit easier. I'm going to substitute x equals 2 right there. So I have 2 times 2, because x equals 2, I put 2 in there, minus, I'm going to put 1y equals 1. That's 4 minus 1y equals 1. Add, subtract 4. Subtract 4. That's a 0 pair. Negative 1y equals negative 3. Divide by negative 1. Cancels out. I'm going to write it here. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. So my solution is 2 comma 3 for my system. The only thing you have to do now is finish the problems just on the first page. I know this is a lot. I know it's a lot. It's a lot of algebra, and we're going to go slow on substitution. Okay?